Imagine a story about a young man who dropped out of engineering at age 20, played poker part time, became pro. This young man studied relentlessly, bought every book, subscribed to every training site, forum, played up to 24 tables, over 6 7 years accumulated $1.6 million. And then, the United States banned online poker. Suddenly, overnight, he's making about a quarter of what he used to make. Now, this young man is 27, went back to school with no other goal other than to study math. During his time in school, he learned about investing. After graduating, he worked as an actuary for 2 years for the largest consulting company in the world. And then COVID happened and he was laid off. And once again, he has to start over. I've spent the last several years relentlessly studying investing, read almost every book, subscribed to every training website, forum, watched every YouTube video. The purpose of this channel is to summarize what I've learned over the course of my life and during my time studying math and investing, and to summarize it in a way that is going to be immediately helpful to everybody watching. During this project, I am going to invest $1 million of my own money during the COVID crisis, which I expect to be one of the most volatile markets in my lifetime. And I'm going to share what I'm doing, why, and exactly what I have planned.